Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Israel Academy. In this video, we are going to be talking about React or higher order component, which is HOC. So the question is, what is higher order component? Higher order component, HOC, is like a wrapper that adds extra features to your React component. Think of it like putting a case on your phone. The case add new feature or it even protects your phone, like water protection without changing the phone itself. So that is what HOC does. So HOC are functions that takes a component and return an enhanced version of that component. We have an example which says to demonstrate how HOC work, let's create a simple example, adding a border to any component. So now let's create our example. We'll come here and we're going to create a function. We're going to create a function. In this place, we'll say function with border. We'll say wrapped component. Then inside here, we'll say return. We are returning another function new component. And inside this new component, we'll be having a props. Then inside there, we'll still come here and say return. Inside this return, we'll have a div. And in this div, we're going to style it. We'll say style. Because and in this curly braces, we'll have another curly braces, which will be border, which will be 2px solid blue. Would also have a padding. Would also have a padding of 10px And outside the div, we're going to bring in our wrapped components. And inside this wrap components, we'll bring in props, which will be 1, 2, 3 props. Yes. So after that, we'll create another function, which will be function greeting. Then inside this greeting, we'll say name. Then we're going to return a value. Return H1. Let's use H1. Say hello. Name. Now we are creating another const. So say const greeting with border. Greeting with border equals to with border, and inside the curly braces we'll say greeting. Then after that, we'll come to our function here, and inside this nav bar, we'll create a div. In the div, we'll bring in greetings. So we'll say greeting, and the name here will be name equals to John. Then we'll bring another one in again. Greeting with border. The name as well will be Jane. Name equals to Jane. Now let's route it. Route. And the path will be, then in this path, we would say, in this route, we'll say path, we'll say slash greeting, slash, this way should be name, and also the element will be greeting, element equals to Then inside this element, it will be greeting with border. Then in our linking, we'd also have another route for greeting. In our linking, we'll link it and we'll say link, and it will be to slash greeting equals to this. And decide that instead we'll bring this div here and put it inside this element. So now let's check our results. So I removed the other one because I felt like it was not needed. Since these are the two things that we will be needing, and we only linked one greeting. So let's check. Okay, we have our greeting here. So as you can see, we have hello John. But because of HOC, we have hello James. That is probably there's a frame that is guiding hello Jane or something. So that is what HOC is all about. It's a function that takes a component and return an enhanced version of that component. So this is a component, and this is the returned version, the enhanced version that we've gotten. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to like, follow, and subscribe. And also do well to follow us across all socials at Fekizon Academy. See you next time. Bye.